one era and start a new one. Yeah, this is so much in the field right now. Recognize also you, the beauty in everything. Recognize your limitless potential, your limitless universe that reveals itself to you, and the limitless love which reveals itself to you as well. And also recognize your mechanisms, your self-sabotage. You holding yourself back. So stop it, work through it, realign, step into your power, get creative, express yourself, and what else to say? I mean, your love and everything you have to share, do it. Do it really now. For this new beginning, do the work, do the chats, the conversation, and also give yourself, your life, your business, your love another change without another possibility, and change without being and continuing like you did in the past, like you did yesterday, right? And really try to act and do everything from today on different than you did it before. Do the opposite. And I know it's pretty hard, but try it. So do you want to join? Do you want to join me to do so on this journey I'm on right now, which I'm walking? So then you can do so. Just jump in here, jump in my inbox, and you are not alone in this. So let's do it together. Right? Let's really do it together and support each other. You can join my support group, or also support mentoring or one-on-one chat with me, wherever you are at. What also helps for this whole thing are definitely my special all-in-one activations, right? So, which are a combination of conscious connected breathing meets energetic alignment, meets frequencies, meets Kundalini. All-in-one activations. So they are full body, mind and soul activations. And I know, and you know, this is what you want and need. You know as well that it's time to give it a go, to receive this support and to try this out. So let's go. I'm here for you, and soon there will be also an opportunity for a little free version, so just that you get a little taste, right, for it. Of course, it will be not like everything in one. It will be not the all-included combination. I don't think so that I will do that in the free version. Also, I prefer to be there live or have like a big introduction to it all before it's needed. It's not like, it's also something, it's a process, right? To build it all up, to actually have a activated Kundalini, and to tune into this conscious connected breathing as well, and then combine it all. It's like something what you build up also over some time. Some people of you, some guys of you are already into those things, so it can also go right away, definitely. And but I will do like more introduction and session free, small session. Let's see how small it goes, and will be, all of those who know me know that in the end I'm like making it longer, talking for longer, making longer realignments and so on. So let's see what I'm channeling through, and also what I will prepare and create for you. But yeah, so that's about that. I can't wait. I really can't wait to share it all. The free version, and then of course, if you wanna go and jump in one of my containers, one-on-one or in groups or in the online courses which are about to come, the paid versions, of course, it has a different value, right? Then please do so. I just can't share it all with you for free, even though I really would like to, right? It's also my big goal that I could make it all available one day, and I'm actually also working on that right now. But it takes time. It can take still, for sure, a few years. So let's see. But I'm creating all the content, and you can choose what you wanna get. And also, just understand, like, there are people out there like me who were choosing a few years back to live from their passions, right? Or at least from one of their passions, right? So that's what I'm doing. And yeah, because I just don't want to do something which I don't like and where I'm stuck also in one place. I don't know about you. Maybe you do. And you're happy with that, then I'm more than happy for you as well, that you are and that you found that. That's just the most important thing, then everything else doesn't matter. But yeah, so long story short, hope you got the message. Go back to it again. Listen to the first few words I shared with you. Those also words which, for example, will be in alignment sessions included as well. Just a bit different, but yeah, you will see, you will get to experience one for sure, because I will drop one for free in German and in English. And yeah, for the full experience and to go deeper and more transformative ones, of course, you're gonna go further. But for now, I definitely will make it already possible that everyone gets a taste and can also already move some mountains, rocks or something, reawaken their, unleash their potential. Let's see which topic I'm gonna choose, or if I make like already a little combination of topics at least. So there's so many possibilities with it. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited about it, and just have to get clear what I'm gonna put out there for all of you guys, really for all of you, like all of you who speak German and English. So really don't want to let anyone behind. Maybe even in the future I let it translate and record from some beloved colleagues who speak Italian and Spanish, because I know there's some of those in my communities because of all my big troubles and in general the life that I'm living. So okay, I'm gonna make a point. I'm gonna make a point for tonight, and I wish you a beautiful day or night, and also full moon. It has a really beautiful energy. I feel such a huge push actually since the new year. For me, honestly, it was quite intense the first 1 or 2 weeks still, and now since a week or so I'm really feeling like this huge push. I feel this push, which is really like woof. The universe gives you like and that's what's happening right now. I can feel it in every cell of my body, and just super excited for everything what's about to come and what I'm working on. I hope you're feeling the same, or in a good way to go there and get there as well. And if you need any support, please do yourself a favor and reach out. And what else to say? Just wish everyone this without a reason, without just like without a big reason, just within yourself. for yourself, with being alone, right? And in the end, we all know we're never alone, even though we're living alone, walking through life alone, not having like the company, like this, I don't know, super close people next to us as flatmates, as neighbors, as business partners, as this community next to you in person, this partner in crime, this life partner, who is supporting you, or just there, right? And also to share it with yourself and share it with the world, right? And so because you are always the person you will be in the end, so you never know who will go first anyways from this planet. So you come alone and you go alone, and in between you will be alone. Either way, doesn't matter if you're in a relationship, married or not. I don't know which else situations are out there. So yes, many things to share. Like always, I have many things to share, and so I'm gonna make a point now for real, and I wish you all the best and looking forward to hear from you. Sending you so much love. Bye bye.